Exposure to sunlight. Yes, sunlight is known to induce sneezing in about 18 to 35% of the population in the US. This phenomenon is more commonly termed as photic sneeze reflex. And if you are already on the verge of sneezing, exposure to sunlight can solve your problem in a jiffy, as about 1 in 3 people who were about to sneeze already were found sneezing soon after being exposed to sunlight. Why this works? Although the exact reason sunlight exposure causes sneezing is unclear, the number of induced sneezes is observed to be mediated genetically and can be easily predicted within a family. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.